Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable a user account on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable a user account on Windows 11 computer, log on your computer with administrator account and right click on Start menu. Click on Computer Management. Now click on Local Users and Groups and expand it, and then click on Users. Here I have a user 1, and now it's disabled. The disabled sign is showing here. Right click on user 1 and then click on Properties, and under General tab you will find an option Account is disabled, and it's selected. Now deselect it and then click on Apply. Now click on OK, and look, the disabled sign is not appearing on the username. Now the user is enabled on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.